The Filipino adverb of manner malakas means loudly or strongly in English. Malakas. Malakas. Sumigaw siya ng malakas. It means he or she shouted loudly. Sumigaw, sigaw is shout. Sumigaw, shouted. Siya is he or she. Malakas means loud. Sumigaw siya ng malakas. Malakas na humampas ang hangin. The wind struck strongly. Malakas means strong. Strongly, humampas is like struck or like slap in a way. And then hangin is the wind. So malakas na humampas ang hangin. Tumawa siya ng malakas sa komedya. He or she laughed loudly at the comedy. Tumawa is like laughed. Past tense siya is he or she is gender neutral. Malakas, strong or loudly. And then komedya is a comedy. Tumawa siya ng malakas sa komedya. Malakas niyang pinuksan ang pinto. He or she opened the door strongly. Malakas is strong, strongly. Forcefully. Niya is he or she. Bukas means like open, binuksan, opened, past tense. And then a pinto is a door. Malakas niyang binuksan ang pinto. Once again, when we say malakas, it means loudly or strongly. Malakas. Malakas.